What's up, guys? So we're back down here at the shop. We got Twiggy down here and drove the Nova down here. Everything's going a lot better with it. And today we are going to be pulling apart the 6.0. Cleaned it up the other day, ran out of time, and so now we are going to be pulling the valve covers, pulling the heads. Gonna go ahead and pull off the harmonic balancer, see if we can check out the timing set. We're just kind of gonna pull it apart, see what all that we need to order. We don't have much left, so we'll knock some of this stuff out and hopefully won't see any issues, and we'll be able to start going back together with it. So let's bust this thing apart. We'll be ready to rock. Alright, so we got the valve covers off, the rockers off, push rods pulled out. Went ahead and pulled the plugs, so everything is free spinning now. There's no pressure on anything. We're going to go ahead and pull the harmonic balancer, pull the heads off, get a look at this timing set, and I mean, like I said, we're just kind of checking this thing out. We're going to hopefully be pushing a good bit of boost out of it, just like we are the Nova. So hopefully, fingers crossed, we have good luck with it. And we're just going to keep tearing apart, and we're going to see what all that we need to put it back together. So we'll keep it up. Alright, so we got the heads off. Honestly, it didn't look great at all. It's been sitting for a long time, but I took some WD-40, turned it over a good bit, took me a razor knife, scraped the head gasket material stuff off of it, and then took me a little bit of Scotch-Brite to that. And then I actually took a Scotch-Brite to the tops of the pistons, and man, they cleaned up good. I'm actually really impressed with how that it turned out. It didn't take us very long, just kind of cleaned it up. Nobody really cares about that stuff, so I didn't video it, but we're gonna drop the oil pan now, and we're gonna pull the front timing assembly off of it, and we'll just keep on rocking and rolling on this thing. practice. That didn't sound good. No. Cam bearing. That back bearing right there come out. Alright, so as y'all saw, I went to pull the cam out, and there we go. Cam bearing, bad, cam is shot. A little irritating, so we're going to see what that we need to do next. I have done a couple sets of cam bearings before. It's not really a huge deal. I'll just kind of see if I got the time to do it. A little aggravating sometimes, but you know, it just kind of is what it is. So for the day, we got everything off. I know the head bolts I need to order now, head gaskets, all that stuff. So I'll get all that stuff ready to rock and roll and get them on the way. And we'll tackle this this cam bearing deal on another day. So you can bust them apart pretty quick and clean them up real nice. But you know, we'll just kind of see how it does. So on to another day. We'll get her fixed.